course is a little painful, but you gotta jump into something new when you want massive results, right? Let's go. I am 33 years old and I shouldn't be making a vlog. I'm running a training business. I shouldn't be running a vlog. There were many things that were said to me before I thought of starting this vlog. There are many things that is said to us that don't do this, don't do this. People will give their opinions, but you gotta do what you really, really want, need, and deserve to do. So I'm starting this vlog wherein my first vlog is all about shifting, and we are shifting to a new place. It's a new beginning. After lockdown, it will be my new place. And I will also be traveling a bit. So if you know me well, I have been a trainer and a public speaker for 10 years, and I've been a traveler as well. So I'll be showing you some nice places in this time. But any time in your life, if you're not able to start off with something. So I'm leaving now. I'm leaving this beautiful resort. I definitely don't feel like, but let me tell you, the next place is supremely awesome. So this is how I travel. I travel in autos whenever I'm traveling, especially in south of India. No, I don't have a big car. I sold it off long back. So I'm gonna just show you the reality and the real me, okay? So let's get started here.
I think it's on the corner.
Well, the best thing about this place is that it has these
This one here, maybe. Yeah, this one
very
right here.
small
Stop.
streets.
Right here. Yeah, here.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Ouch.
You're stuck. Good cash.
Yeah, did you notice? My husband asked me for cash. Okay, yeah. So that's our home, and let's go. Thank God he's helping me out, huh?
Do you have any small money?
No, I don't have any money. All right, so I'm here, and the journey begins by taking the blessings of the Lord, and let's just go up. Woo! And that's our place. That's gonna be my new office. It actually looks like an office. I think this was an office space before. So that's gonna be our bedroom. We need to buy a couple of things here. Simple room, nothing much, and basic. If you're one of those who wants to start off with something in your life, don't wait, don't listen to people. Just see, feel what you feel and go for it. I'm really tired now. I'm just joking. We have to go and buy some stuff, and I also have a lot of videos lined up today, private sessions and some recordings. So I'm gonna see you soon. This is going to be a weekly vlog. Do share in your comments and do share your thoughts on how do you like my new house. Bye.